Hello aspirants, welcome to Let's Unite. JDO exam கான free test series conduct பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். அதுல test number 5 technical paperல full model test கான answer discussion இந்த video sessionல பார்க்கலாம். First question, a Newtonian fluid is one which obeys Newton's law of viscosity. Option A தான் correct answer. Second question, the mass per unit volume of a liquid at a standard temperature and pressure is called mass density. Option B the correct answer. The intermolecular attraction between same liquid is called molecules of the cohesion. Option A the correct answer. Fourth question, a point through which the force of buoyancy is supposed to act center of buoyancy. Option C the correct answer. Fifth question, main ingredient of a good quality brick is silica. Option C the correct answer. Sixth question, minimum compressive strength of Portland Pozzolana cement at 28 days. 28 days la pathina 33 MPa. Option A the correct answer. Seventh question, when the Reynolds number is less than 500, the flow is said to be laminar for free surface flow. Option C the correct answer. Eighth question, head loss in laminar flow through uniform circular pipe varies linearly with velocity of flow. Correct da. Linearly with discharge correct da. Inversely with diameter into 4 correct da. So all options are correct. Option D the correct answer. Ninth question, Chase's formula for velocity considering loss of head due to friction in pipes is formula pathina option A the correct answer. V equal to C root mi. 10th question, which of the following is a major energy loss in flow through pipe loss due to friction? Option A the correct answer. 11th question, for a laminar flow through circular pipes the maximum velocity equal to 2 times the average velocity. Option B the correct answer. 12th question, if there are n pipes of same diameter d led in parallel in place of a single pipe of diameter, the formula pathina d equal to d by n2 by 5. Option A the correct answer. 13th question, when the depth of flow in an open channel is greater than critical depth, the flow is said to be subcritical flow. Option B the correct answer. 14th question, if the Froude number of a hydraulic jump in a horizontal rectangular channel is 4.2, then the jump can be classified as oscillating pipe. Option B the correct answer. 15th question, which of the following statements correct with respect to hydraulic jump in channels? First option the correct answer, sudden and turbulent passage of water from supercritical state to subcritical state the correct answer. 16th question, height of hydraulic jump is equal to difference in conjugate depths. Option B the correct answer. 17th question, area of indicator diagram of reciprocating pump represent the work done by the pump. Option C the correct answer. Priming is not required in reciprocating pumps. Option A. 19th question, which of the following is a positive displacement pump? Positive displacement pump, centrifugal pump. Option B. 20th question, loess is a silt deposit by wind. These deposits have high density and low compressibility. Option B the correct answer. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A the both peat and muck are organic soils. 22nd question, commonly used hand pump pathina reciprocating pump. Option D. 23rd question, a sample with a volume of 40 cm3 is filled with a soil sample. When the soil is poured into a graduated cylinder, it displaces 20 cm3 of water. What will be the porosity? The answer pathina option A the correct answer, 0.5. 24th question, ratio of the percentage air voids of air contact porosity in solvom. Option B correct answer. 25th question, soil having swelling and shrinkage property is BC soil. Option A the correct answer. 26th question, as per Indian standard temperature for reporting the specific gravity 27 degrees Celsius. Option B. 27th question, a soil sample has liquid limit as 45%, plastic limit 25%, shrinkage limit 14%. For a natural water content 30%. இதோடைய liquidity index என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. இதோட ஆன்சர் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆப்ஷன் D தான் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர், 25%. 28th question, compressive index of soil increases with an increases in liquid limit. Option A தான் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். 29th question, the value of coefficient of uniformity for well graded gravel and well graded sand respectively are Cu greater than 4 and Cu greater than 6. Option A தான் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். 30th question, an inorganic clay of high plasticity is represented by the symbol CH. Option A. 31st question, as per Indian standard particle size classification, particle size of silt 0.0022 to 0.075 mm. Option B. 32nd question, soil sample having most of the particles of all sizes termed as well graded. Option A. 33rd question, in a soil specimen 60% of soil passing through 4.75 mm IS sieve and 40% of particle are passing through 75 micron IS sieve. Its uniform Uniformity coefficient is 5 and coefficient of curvature is 4. As per IS classification, soil is classified as GP. Option B. 34th question. Which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to direct shear stress? Incorrect nu kekranga. Idhula incorrect edunu pathina option C da. Normal stress and shearing stress over the potential surface of sliding is uniform. Next 35th question. Which of the following can be considered as a field test? Field test pathina Vane shear test. Option D. 36th question. Minimum width of shoulder recommended by IRC pathina 2.5 meter. Option C. 37th question. While aligning a hill road with a rolling gradient is 6%, a horizontal curve of radius 68 meter is encountered. Find the compensated gradient. Idoda answer pathina 4.90. Option C. 38th question. Desirable length of overtaking zone as per IRC guidelines 5 times the overtaking side distance. Option B. 39th question. Find the compensated gradient at horizontal curve of radius 60 meter with a rolling gradient of 6%. The answer 4.75%. Option B. 40th question. For a 2-axle vehicle with axles 3.5 meter apart, negotiating a curve of radius 125 meter along a 2-lane highway and traveling at a speed of 80 km per hour will require an extra widening at the curve as 0.85 meter. Option C. 41st question. Obligatory points in highway engineering are control points governing the alignment of the highway. Option D. 42nd question. Indian Road Congress IRC set up in the year. IRC set up பண்ணது பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1934. Option D தான் correct answer. Next 43rd question. Stopping side distance is 110 meter. Intermediate side distance will be 220 meter. Option C. Next 44th question. Traffic density means number of vehicles per unit length. Option C. 45th question. Small quantity of iron oxide will make bricks yellowish. Option C. 46th question. Which of the below is not one of the basic forms of channelization for transport? Idoda answer pathina rotary intersection. Option C. 47th question. Grade separation had the advantage of number of points of conflicts is nil. Option C. 48th question. Which one of the following test is conducted on men to evaluate the consistency property? Viscosity test. Option D. 49th question. Which one of the following test is conducted to evaluate the weathering property of aggregate? Soundness test. Option C. 50th question. Laboratory test to determine hardness of the road aggregate is Los Angeles abrasion test. Option B. 51st question. The term characteristics load means that load which has a probability of not being exceeded during the life of structure is equal to 95%. Option B. Next 52nd question. According to limit state of collapse, values of partial safety factor for steel and concrete pathina 1.15 and 1.5. Option D is correct answer. Next 53rd question. What is the flexural strength of M20 grade concrete? Flexural strength pathina 3.13 MPa. Option B. 54th question. Characteristic strength of concrete in the actual structure is taken as 0.67 FCK. Option C. 55th question. If FCU and Fy are cube compressive strength of concrete and yield stress of steel respectively, and E is the Young's modulus of elasticity of steel for all grades of concrete, the ultimate flexural strain in concrete can be taken as 0.0035. Option C correct answer. 56th question. Design yield stress of steel according to IS 456-2000 is 0.87 Fy. Option D. Next 57th question. Neutral axis of a balanced section is called critical neutral axis. Option B. 58th question. Limit state of serviceability of reinforced concrete section should satisfy deflection and cracking. Option D. 59th question. The HYSD reinforcement in RC slab shall not be less than 0.12 into BD by 100. Option A. 60th question. All columns shall be designed for a minimum eccentricity of 20 mm. Option B. 61st question. The minimum number of bars to be provided in case of rectangle and circular columns are respectively 4 and 6. Option C. 62nd question. According to IS 456-2000, a column or strut is a compression member whose effective length does not exceed 3 times the least lateral dimension. Option B. 63rd question. Neutral axis of a T-beam exits within the flange correct தான், bottom of edge of slab correct தான், below the slab correct தான். So option D, all options are correct. 64th question. According to IS 800-2007, minimum distance between center of fastener shall not be less than 2.5 D. Option C the correct answer. 65th question. When two plates butt together and riveted with two cover plates with 2 rows of rivet, the joint is known as double riveted double cover butt joint. Option D. Next 66th question. Effective length of a fillet weld is taken as length of the weld less twice the weld size. Option B correct answer. 67th question. Maximum value of the effective slenderness ratio KL by R for a member carrying compressive loads resulting from the dead load and imposed load is 180. Option A the correct answer. Next 69th question. In the truss shown in the figure, the force in member BC is 0. Option C the correct answer. Next 17th question. If K is the stiffness of its member at a joint, the distribution factor for the member is Ki divided by summation of Ki. Option A the correct answer. 71st question. Quantity of cement concrete dam proofing course is measured in terms of square meter. Option B. 72nd question. Unit of measurement in the estimation for reinforcement of RCC work is quintal. Option B. 73rd question. Steel rebar estimate for project is done based on MT. Option B. Next 74th question. Item of steel work which is measured in square meter is collapsible gates square meter la measure pannalam, rolling shed square meter da, steel doors square meter da. So option D, all options are correct. Correct answer. 75th question. When size of opening in masonry work is more than 0.5 meter square and less than 3 meter square, the area of plastering item is taken made for one side of wall and the jambs, soffit and sills are not taken into account. Option B the correct answer. 76th question. Concrete is measured in cubic meter. Option C. 77th question. The measurement of all the work and supplies are recorded in the M book. Option B. 78th question. Salvage value is estimated value of asset as a whole without dismantling at the end of useful life. Option B the correct answer. 79th question. Cost slope of the direct cost curve is given by crash cost, normal cost. இதோட ஆன்சர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆப்ஷன் ஏ, நார்மல் டைம், கிராஷ் காஸ்ட், நார்மல் காஸ்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் 18th கொஸ்டின். விச் டேட்டா ஆர் ரெக்வயர்ட் டு மேக் அவுட் அண்ட் எஸ்டிமேட் ஃபார் ஏ ஒர்க்? ஒரு எஸ்டிமேட் பண்ணணும்னா டிராயிங்கும் வேணும், ஸ்பெசிஃபிகேஷன் வேணும், ரேட்டும் வேணும். ஸோ ஆல் ஆஃப் தீஸ் தான் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஆப்ஷன் டி. 81st கொஸ்டின். விச் ஆர் த ஃபாலோயிங் அசசரி ஆஃப் செயின் சர்வே இஸ் யூஸ்டு டு மூவ் த பாயிண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் தி கிரவுண்ட் வைல் செயினிங் த ஸ்லோப் டவுன்? இதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், பிளம்ப் ஆஃப் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஆப்ஷன் பி. Next 82nd question. In metric chain, 1 meter length is divided into 5 links. Option B. 83rd question. Compensating error in chaining are proportional to the square root of length of line. Option B. 84th question. Sum of interior angle of a regular pentagon பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 540. Option B தான் correct answer. 85th question. The rise and fall method provides complete check on back side, intermediate side and foresight. மூணுமே தான். So option D correct answer. 86th question. Cross section and longitudinal sectioning is profile leveling சொல்லுவோம். Option C. 87th question. The operation of leveling to determine the elevation between two points is known as differential leveling. Option B. Next 88th question. Which of the following is the graphical method of surveying? Graphical method பார்த்தீங்கன்னா plane table method. Option C. 89th question. For plane table survey, plumbing fork is used along with plumb bob. Option C. 90th question. Dash objects can be plotted accurately using a plane table. Irregular objects. Option A. Next 91st question. Which of the following is preferred for turbidity measurement of water when turbidity of a sample is less than 5? Bailey's turbidity meter. Option A. 92nd question. Temporary hardness of water can be removed by boiling or adding lime. Option B. 93rd question. Carbonate hardness is equal to total hardness or alkalinity, whichever is lesser. Option A. 94th question. In which treatment unit Chemours sticky layer is formed? Slow sand filter. Option B. 95th question. Which of the following filter will produce water of higher bacteriological quality? Slow sand filter. Option A. 96th question. Detention time in flocculator is 20 to 30 minutes. Option C. 97th question. High turbidity of water can be determined by Jackson's turbidity meter. Option B. 98th question. Hardness of water can be removed by boiling if it contains calcium bicarbonate. Option C. 99th question. Weight of solids per unit of its total volume of the soil mass is known as dry unit weight. Option E. 100th question. Flocculation is the process of gently mixing the water and coagulant allowing the formation of large particles of floc. Option E தான் correct answer. So test number 5ல question number 1லேருந்து 100க்கான ஆன்சர் டிஸ்கஷன் பார்த்துட்டோம். இதில் ஏதாவது மிஸ்டேக் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட்டில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 101லேருந்து 200க்கான ஆன்சர் டிஸ்கஷன் நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ.